All meridians converge to a point at either pole. Depending on the proximity of a track to the pole and the relative angle, track direction can change quite rapidly. Sometimes it is useful for ease of navigation to follow a track that does not change direction. Constant changes in track nowadays do not pose a significant problem, as technical advances in navigation equipment can easily cope with constant track changes. A line that does have constant direction is called a Rhumb line, and this line will cut each meridian at the same angle. A Rhumb line therefore has the advantage of a constant track. From the diagram on the screen, we can see that a typical great circle track follows a different path over the Earth's surface to the Rhumb line track, between the same departure and destination positions.